Later. 12 hours. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so it's a pretty big size, like, metal screw, but it wasn't hard to get undone. This just says rights restricted, team logo, and trademarks and all that crap, as you can see. I was looking at that for way too long. It's nice that it says McLaren F1 team, too. Even though this is just plastic, it has a finish on it that doesn't look cheap like it's 3D printed. It still looks like it has a real finish on it. This is cool, actually. I like it on there. I'm surprised. I'm not even an F1 fan. So let's take this off. It's still kind of stuck on there. Oh, it's because it's got a pin. Oh, there's a pinhole right there that holds it. That makes more sense. I was wondering how it just sits there. Oh, wow. This car is so detailed. As I cough. Okay, holy cow. I was looking at the pin on here. Cool. Well, it holds it on. All right. Now this has got the air ducts on here and everything. These are rubber tires. These are rubber tires. Holy Nikes. Holy. This is really nice. The more I look at this, the nicer and nicer this car is getting. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Where's a good view spot here? That's why. Shit. Okay. We're gonna have to redo this whole thing. No, I don't have to. I can't rebox it. Oh well, I got it in focus now. I was so excited that I don't know if everybody saw that or not, but I was testing these tires to see if they're rubber. And I still am again because I didn't think this was going to be rubber on there. So there I should be able to get a little bit of focus on here now. Looks like a Duracell battery, but they obviously couldn't put the venting in there. I guess it was just way too thin. There's Lando's number. I guess that's his helmet too. I'm not familiar with him, but they did paint their helmets on there. What kind of display is that on there? Maybe I can't see that. Can you see that? Oh, that's head right there. The profile is very, very low too. Like this is just a regular Hot Wheel. You know, it's just a Jaguar. This is even an old whatever you want to call it from the... And he's off. Okay, what else can we see on this? It just grips. So even that Visa logo on the top there, I don't know if you can see it, is just very, very detailed. And this looks like a legit F1 car. Okay, let's go back to the main line. This does have the venting on the bottom too, surprisingly. I never noticed that. And it's still got the front that's all funky too. I didn't notice that either. There's just a massive difference in detail. And not in size, actually, either. These are much longer, but... Oh, let me hold it up so you can see. I'm just going... At the other end, I'm just going like this. Wheel to wheel. You can kind of see in the top there. The wheels almost match up. Exactly the same. But the front spoiler and wing or whatever, they want foil, whatever they're going to call it. Neither one of them has the slots in it. Just way too thin. Wow. There's such a such a difference between these. I guess there should be between the premium, right? But this one just looks so realistic. I think this one is the wheels that ruins it for me. But I found this in the wild, and I found all mine lately in the wild. So there's that. I was gonna bring out the old one and see if it compares to the new one, but the new one is still better. So there's my quick video that was completely out of focus until I realized that it was. If you get a chance, these F1 cars are sick. I'm not even an F1 fan, but just opening that, even if for some reason I don't keep these. Oh, this is such a nice car. It's so heavy. If that was my first experience opening a premium, I'd be so excited. Let's see if I can make this look like they're on that Dare camera, eh?